Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change the keyboard size on your Android phone. If you want to make your keyboard bigger, smaller, or move it to a different position, this is really easy to do. First, open an app where you can type something, such as Notes. Tap on a text box to bring up your keyboard. Once the keyboard appears, look at the top left corner and tap the four-dot menu icon. This will open a menu with different keyboard options. Now, look for the option called Resize. You may see the Resize option directly in the menu. If you don't see it, swipe through the available options to find it. Tap on Resize. Now you can adjust the size of your keyboard. To make the keyboard bigger, drag the top edge upward. To make it smaller, drag the edge downward. You can also move the keyboard higher or lower on the screen using the controls provided. Adjust it until you're happy with the size and position. Once you're finished, tap Done. Your new keyboard size and position will now be saved. Now open the keyboard again, and you'll see that it has been changed to the size you selected. And that's it. That's how you can change the keyboard size on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel.